Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you step by step how to create a poll on YouTube in 2025. Now, polls are a great way to engage your subscribers, get feedback, and increase the interaction on your channel. So, without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to come here on youtube.com. Over here, you need to sign in with your YouTube channel or with your Gmail account on which you have your YouTube channel. Now tap on your profile icon here in the top right hand corner of the screen. Then you need to go to your YouTube studio. Over here, you can also select the option of view channel. And now if you click on the option of post, you are going to see this type of section in front of you. Over here, you can either open a text poll or image poll. So you need to select which type of poll you want to open. So let's say you want to create a text poll. So simply select it and type your question over here. In the option, you can give the options. If you want to add another option, simply select that and add another options. After that, click on the option of post here in the bottom right hand corner, and this way you will be able to see your text poll created very easily. Similarly, if you want to create an image poll, simply select the image poll, then you can type your question over here. Now for option 1, you can upload the image from your gallery, and for option 2 you can also do the same. You can add multiple options over here and click on the option of post in the bottom right hand corner of the screen in order to make it public. Now anytime if you want to make your polls private or if you want to change its settings, you can come here inside your YouTube studio. Here you will see the option of content and the community here in the left hand section, so you can access those from here. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.